Hi, this is Max from Arbitrage Hero, and in this video I am going to talk about buy box. Buy box is a default price that the buyer sees on the product details page. I have highlighted this area with a red square. This is the area where you can see add to basket or buy now buttons. Over 80% of all sales come from the buy box. When there are multiple sellers are selling the same product, only one of them can take the buy box at a time. So Amazon rotates sellers who are eligible to win the buy box. There are multiple factors that can affect whether you can win buy box or not. Let's take a closer look at these factors. The main factors are price, fulfillment speed, available inventory, customer service rating, feedback score, and probably something else, because Amazon doesn't share their algorithm of how they calculate eligibility for the buy box. Price is a very important factor, so you need to make sure that you price your products competitively. You can go to a pricing dashboard to see recommendations provided by Amazon and information on how often your products win the buy box. You can also automate your pricing to match buy box price when it changes. If you do so, make sure that you set your minimum price so you do not sell products at a loss. Fulfillment speed is another factor that can affect whether you can get in buy box or not. Amazon tries to show products from the sellers with the inventory stored in their local warehouse. It is becoming more important for big countries like the United States, where the distances are huge, so they try to make sure that products are delivered from local warehouses close to their consumers. Next factor is available inventory. Amazon wants you to have enough supply, and it is a good practice to have a supply to cover at least 15 or 30 days of demand. I would recommend you to regularly check inventory dashboard to see Amazon's recommendations regarding restocking your inventory. On this screenshot on the right hand side, I have highlighted with the red square recommendations for order quantity that Amazon thinks I need to send to replenish my inventory. One of the most important factors that Amazon looks at is customer service rating. This is related to defect rate, chargebacks, etc. You can check it on account health page. Amazon also wants its customers to experience the best customer service, so they want customer support to be perfect. When somebody sends you a message on Amazon, they want you to respond in 24 hours or less. Failing to do it will affect your seller rating and as a result, your chances to win buy box. Finally, you need to have as many positive feedbacks as possible. You can see your overall feedback on feedback page. Make sure that when you see a negative feedback, you try to resolve it. Usually it is easy to do so just by asking Amazon to remove it, as they are responsible for most of things that are happening with your products. If they refuse to do it, then you will need to work with the buyer to resolve it. I would also recommend you to contact your buyers after they have received their order and ask for a feedback. It is a tedious process to do it manually, but there are automated services available. I have put a link below this video to a service which can help you to get feedback from your buyers. It is very cheap and they also provide you with 30 days free trial, so you can cancel it if you do not like it. I hope that you now have a better understanding of buy box and factors that affect your chances of winning it. This was Max from Arbitrage Hero, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.